Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how often Tesla updates its software. Tesla is well known for regularly updating its vehicle software over the air, much like a smartphone. These updates introduce new features, improve existing functions, and provide bug fixes. The frequency of these software updates varies, but it is typically quite high, especially compared to traditional automakers. Major updates. Tesla tends to roll out significant software versions approximately every 1 to 2 months, though some users report major new features arriving around every 4 months. These are the updates that often include big changes like new user interface designs, new games, or major feature additions like a holiday update. Minor/incremental updates, smaller, more frequent updates containing minor bug fixes, security enhancements, and slight improvements can be released weekly or every few weeks. These often appear as subversions of a main release, like 2025.38.1, 2025.38.2, and so on. Rollout process. It's important to understand that updates don't hit every car simultaneously. Tesla uses a staggered or rolling rollout. They first push the update to a small group of vehicles and, if no major issues are reported, they gradually expand the rollout to the entire fleet. This means your specific car may receive an update a few days or even weeks after the initial release. User preference. Owners can influence how quickly they receive updates by adjusting their software update preference on the car's touchscreen. Selecting advanced means your vehicle may get updates sooner, while standard may wait for more widespread distribution. In summary, Tesla consistently updates its software, delivering small patches frequently and major feature sets on a monthly or quarterly basis. This dedication to constant improvement is a defining characteristic of owning a Tesla. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.